Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's quick tip, I will show you how to copy and paste photos like a pro using your iPhone. Whether you are organizing images or sharing them fast, this trick will save you time. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Photos app. First, open your Photos app and find the image you want to copy. Step 2. Tap and hold the photo. Now tap and hold the photo gently. After a second, it will lift up slightly and you will see a glowing border. That means it is ready to be copied. Step 3. Tap Copy. When the menu pops up, tap Copy. The photo is now saved to your clipboard. Step 4. Paste it anywhere. Next, go to the app where you want to paste the image, like Messages, Notes, Mail, or even Instagram. Tap into a text box, hold down, and then select Paste. Boom! Your photo appears instantly. Pro tip: drag and drop. Want to level up? Try this. While holding one photo, use another finger to swipe into a different app, like Notes or Files, and just drop the photo in. It is fast, smooth, and feels like magic. And that's it. Now you know how to copy and paste photos like a pro on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like or share it with a friend who needs it. See you next time.